Not all world leaders ride in normal luxury cars. Some ride in rolling fortresses. Bomb-proof, bulletproof, millions of dollars. These aren't just cars. They're mobile command centers designed to keep the most powerful people on Earth alive. Let's count down the top 5 most expensive leader cars in the world, and some of them might surprise you. Number 5, Aurus Senat Limousine, Russia. Forget Mercedes. Russia wanted something homegrown, powerful, and intimidating. So they built the Aurus Senat Limousine, a $1.6 million presidential vehicle designed specifically for Vladimir Putin. This beast was developed under the Cortez project, aiming to create a fully Russian-made luxury and armored car for official state use. And what they came up with is nothing short of remarkable. On the outside, it looks like a hybrid between a Rolls-Royce and a tank, but under the hood, it packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid, co-developed with Porsche, capable of moving its massive armored frame effortlessly. The car is bulletproof, blast-resistant, and features VR10 level protection, the highest civilian armor rating, able to withstand armor-piercing bullets and explosives. But it's not just about protection. Inside, it's pure luxury, with hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and a rear seat experience fit for a czar. Advanced communication systems and life support modules ensure the president stays connected and safe at all times. And if anything goes wrong, the car can keep rolling on run-flat tires and is completely sealed against chemical attacks. It's not just a car. It's a statement, Russia's message to the world. We build our own, and we do it big. Number 4, Hongqi N701, China. When President Xi Jinping shows up at a major event, he doesn't just arrive, he commands the scene. His ride? The ultra-exclusive Hongqi N701, a Chinese-made armored limousine that redefines what it means to blend national pride with cutting-edge protection. Hongqi, which translates to red flag, is China's oldest and most prestigious luxury car brand. The N701 is not available to the public, and it was built exclusively for China's top leadership, with production numbers so limited that even details about its specs are kept tightly guarded. What we do know is that the N701 is estimated to cost between $1.50 to $2 million, and it's armored to protect against high-caliber weapons and explosions. The design is long, sleek, and stately, echoing traditional Chinese aesthetics while maintaining a dominant road presence. It's meant to embody power, dignity, and self-reliance. Inside, the N701 is a rolling palace, rumored to have advanced communication systems, sealed air filtration for chemical attacks, and luxurious seating fit for long-distance diplomatic travel. China could have bought European, but instead, it built its own, sending a clear signal. China doesn't follow, it leads, even when it comes to presidential protection. Number 3, Bentley State Limousine, United Kingdom. At first glance, it might look like a classic luxury car, but the Bentley State Limousine is anything but ordinary. Built exclusively for Queen Elizabeth II in 2002 for her Golden Jubilee. This is one of the rarest and most expensive royal vehicles ever made, with an estimated value of $15 million. Only 2 exist in the world, and both are owned by the British royal family. This is not a stretched Bentley off the production line. It was designed and handcrafted from the ground up, combining the finest materials with state-of-the-art protection. Underneath the elegant British design lies blast-resistant armor, bulletproof glass, and Kevlar-reinforced tires. Even the cabin is airtight and can be completely sealed in case of a gas or chemical attack. The car also rides taller than standard Bentleys, allowing the Queen, or King, to sit upright and wave to crowds through the specially designed panoramic windows. The color? Royal Claret, a custom hue exclusive to the royal fleet. The emblem? A replaceable hood ornament that swaps out depending on which royal is riding inside. This isn't just a car. It's a symbol of monarchy, tradition, and British excellence. One that protects, but also dazzles. Number 2, Mercedes-Benz S680 Guard, Germany. If James Bond drove a sedan for state duty, this would be it. The Mercedes-Benz S680 Guard 4MATIC is one of the most advanced armored vehicles in the world and a top choice for Germany's chancellor, high-level diplomats, and heads of state around the globe. Priced at around $1.6 million, this isn't just an armored S-Class. It's factory built from the ground up to meet VR-10 ballistic protection, the highest civilian armor rating available. That means it can withstand armor-piercing rounds, grenade explosions, and even drone attacks in some scenarios. The vehicle weighs over 4 tons, powered by a smooth 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, paired with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system for stable handling under extreme situations. Its windows are nearly 4 inches thick, and the underbody is reinforced to resist landmines and blasts. Inside, you get the full S-Class luxury experience. Ambient lighting, reclining rear seats, premium leather, and total acoustic insulation. But don't let the elegance fool you. This is a rolling safe house with emergency oxygen, fire suppression systems, and run-flat tires that keep moving even when punctured. It's discreet, it's deadly protective, and it's the ultimate executive shield in motion. Number 1. The Beast, United States. Nicknamed the Beast, the official presidential limousine of the United States is less of a car and more of a mobile fortress on wheels. Built by General Motors under the Cadillac badge, the Beast is designed with one mission: to protect the President of the United States at all costs. While the exact specs are classified, it's estimated to cost over $1.5 million per unit, and multiple versions are maintained by the Secret Service. Weighing between 15,000 to 20,000 pounds, this monster rides on a modified truck chassis with a durable, bulletproof, and blast-resistant shell. The doors are as thick as those on a Boeing 757, and the windows can stop armor-piercing rounds. Inside, it's equipped with a sealed cabin against chemical and biological attacks, night vision optics, tear gas cannons, run-flat tires, and even a refrigerated blood bank matching the president's blood type, just in case. Communication systems are military-grade, ensuring the president is never out of contact with command centers. And when the Beast moves, it does so with a full motorcade, including decoy vehicles and armed escorts. It's not luxury for luxury's sake. The Beast is the most advanced protective vehicle ever built, and it's a rolling symbol of American power. These leader cars aren't just about status. They're engineered for survival at the highest level. So next time you see a motorcade pass by, remember, you're looking at millions of dollars rolling past you, built to protect the most powerful people on the planet. Which one impressed you the most? Drop a comment below, back-end index pointing down. And don't forget to subscribe for more insane rides and auto stories from around the world.